Every day on the job site, you give it all you got. No matter the site, no matter the season, no matter how tough the job, you never back down. And neither should your tools. That's why we took our Nuron batteries to the next level. With more power, faster charging, and longer runtime. Delivering the unmatched performance of Hilti, now cordless. Uniting decades of heavy-duty experience on a single platform. And we're just getting started. Power up with Nuron Heavy Duty.